Stocks recover as traders overcome Euro fears. It is Monday, January 30th, 2012. Hello, my name's Dez, here at Grok Trade, and check this out. Markets bounced back nicely after a little bit of a bloodbath today. We have the Dow down just a fraction, the S&P down 0.25%, the Nasdaq down 0.16%, the Russell's down 0.81%. Aftermarket stock index futures are in positive territory already. We have the banks down for the day 0.6%, the VIX up almost 5%, still below 20. Gold down more than 0.5%, more than a full percent down on silver, and crude oil down 0.8%. However, the US dollar up 0.36%. Check this out. I'm looking at the Dow Daily first, and I want you to see this. We have this trend line. If you were watching the weekend video, weekend edition video, you'll remember this line. But we have support here, support here. We come up here and have support. Come across, come across, come across. We're at support. We broke it today, and I said, man, we're going to be in a lot of trouble if we break support. And there's a number of support areas that we did break today. However, what's interesting is we went down, 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 touched the rising 20-day simple moving average, rallied right back up, 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 closing above that trend line. It had to close above that trend line for us to be bullish, and sure enough, it did that. Now, here on the S&P, we didn't make it to the rising 20-day moving average, but we rallied back strong. We have this hammer. A hammer is when you have a candlestick at the bottom of a down leg that has a lower shadow, 2 times or more that of the real body, with little to no upper shadow. That's precisely what we have here, is a hammer. So what we're looking for is a big run higher. You know, I use the word big, but if we do start to go higher, our first pop in the area of resistance is going to be around 1320 and 1321. 1320, 1321 is going to be an area of resistance. So watch that. If we actually close above that, wow, that's going to be really bullish, because this is one ginormous big trend line. Big trend line here. So with that said, things could get bullish and fast. What's interesting here is the bears had a chance to keep this down. The markets were in dire trouble. Especially being so overbought, being this extended to the high side. And for us to start breaking down, and for the bears not being able to sustain that downward movement, and the bulls running in to bring stability to the markets, that is huge. The only thing that could have made this day any stronger is if we closed above this 1314 area. 1313, 1314 area right there. That would have been really good to see. However, tomorrow we get above 1316, say 1317, 1318 area, and stay above that. That's gonna prove to be bullish. And I'm gonna be looking to move some of more of my capital into the bull stocks if that happens. Very cool to see. Big news in the markets with Facebook coming out with their IPO. We're thinking it's going to be sometime this week. I think the markets as a whole is going to feel pretty good about such a large IPO hitting the markets. So keep your ears and eyes open for that news, because the markets should react in a very positive manner when that happens. We have crude oil at just a fraction below $99 a barrel, and gold right now at $17.29. And gold, gang, if you haven't watched the weekend edition video, I highly recommend doing so, because gold has broken some major resistance areas, and that is something to be watching. There's news out saying that we're in the longest S&P 500 valuation slump since Nixon. Discounts profit. What we have is valuations for the U.S. equities have been stuck below the 5-decade average for the longest period since Richard Nixon. Interesting. Tomorrow at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we do have consumer confidence reporting, and so all of us day traders, we need to pay attention when that is released, which is a half hour after the markets open. It should be interesting to see what type of numbers we're going to get there. You know what, gang? I was debating this. I'm going to go with it. So bear with me here. If you guys are just here for stock analysis and all, you can cut the video. But I'm going to shamelessly ask for a favor right now, and let me explain to you why. I have a very close friend of mine, a buddy, owns a business, but he has tickets to the Super Bowl. Now, I am here in Indianapolis. I have my office in Vegas. Indianapolis is where Super Bowl 46 is going to be held this weekend. Well, my buddy has scored a couple tickets, and he's looking for the friend to bring with him. So I'm petitioning people to help me win to win that. So I need a vote of confidence from you guys, and I'm going to do something that's going to get me in a heap of trouble. I know that to be a fact. Let me bring over from my other. This is, see, Todd is his name, and Todd owns this business right here, Fat Adam Internet Marketing. But that's not important. The reason what I'm going to ask of you is this. Right there is Todd. That's him. This is a really, really good friend of mine. He owns his business, and he's the one with the tickets, right? Well, oh man, I'm going to get so in trouble for this. But anyway, his email address is Todd, T-O-D-D, @fatadam.com. This is, a lot of you guys have a great sense of humor, and I'm asking something of you all. If you have a great sense of humor, or you just want to give back to all the free videos I've been doing forever for you, do this. Send him a quick email, a one-liner of some weird, freaky, crazy, wacky reason why he should bring me, Dez, to the Super Bowl with him. The crazier, the better. That's how he's wired. I'm serious. The weirder and crazier, he's going to love this. I've already threw out a couple posts on Facebook that I think will help, but nothing will compare to me broadcasting this on my videos. Actually, I'm going to have you do one other thing. I just went to his Facebook page here, Fat Adam. He has 293 likes. It's just a measure of goodwill. If you would like his page, let's see if we can bump that up to, you know, almost 400. If you would just go to facebook.com/Fat Adam right here and click like, he's going to find that as being very valuable. So anyway, if you could do that, and actually if you type in Grok Trade, now you come to mine, and you can like us too. Anyway, oh man, so Todd at fatadam.com, a one-liner with something freaky on why he should take Dez to the Super Bowl. You can even carbon copy me if you want to at Dez@groktrade.com. You guys are the best. Thanks for helping me out. Take care and stay trading.